Hi, another day, another surgery. So today, we are here at Parkal Mall at Tunnel Bar for the celebration of the 40th year of our batch at St. Andrew's School, batch 1985. So we are here with my batchmates, my classmates. Our teachers are here, no? Yung mga teachers po namin. Alam po ninyo, palagi ko sinasabi na we owe them everything. No? Kung ano po ako ngayon, kung ano po yung aking mga classmates, what we are now is because of our teachers, no? Because of our school. No? Actually, ang homecoming is parang reminiscing, no? Going back to your school para magpasalamat, no? Sa St. Andrew's School sa Parañaque po, no? Before the medical, not the medical, the school director is Father Paul Faulon, no? Belgian priest from CICM, no? Siya po ang nagpapatakbo ng aming eskwelahan. So together with our teachers, hinubog nila kami para maging mabuting mamamayan ng ating bansa, to be God-fearing, law-abiding, no? Mahalin ang ating kapwa, mahalin ang ating neighbors, no? We should live with our motto or slogan ng aming school, Pro Deo et Patria, for God and country. They are our parents away from home. Sila po ang aming pangalawang magulang, no? Our teachers devoted their time, no, para turuan kami, para idisiplina kami. Sabi nga nila, yung ibang mga teachers, dinivote na ang time sa pagtuturo, no? Yung iba hindi na nag-asawa, no? Pero yun nga, sila ang aming pangalawang magulang. So we are here to celebrate our Ruby anniversary, 40th year. So we will have a party tonight, Thanksgiving tonight. So we are here, I'm here with my batchmates, no? So here, teka muna. Ito yung mga matatalino. Ito, Dr. Ugalde, Dr. Simeon Aquino is here, and all the batchmates. Ito, manager to ng Cebu Pacific.
Okay, sasakay.
Patay Pacific na. Oh, yan. Yan, no? Mga batchmates ko po yan. Tinan mo sa St. Andrews, Manay Pogi. No?
Hindi na ba?
Oh, babalik po kami doon, ha? So here, my classmates. So, here, come on. So, here are my teachers, no? Yan, ang aming pinagkakautangan ng aming mga learnings. Say hi po, ma'am. Say hi. Yan, no? Yan po ang mga naghubog sa aming pundasyon. Yun nga, sila ang aming pundasyon. I will not be here. I will not be Dr. Vasquez without them. No? Ma'am, sir, thank you very much po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. No? Thank you very much for being here, actually. No? I love you, mama, chup chup. Yan, okay. Okay, that's it. So we'll have a party later, another day, another surgery.
Estudyante na puro pasaway. Nais kami kayo pasalamatan kahit man lamang isang awinin. Parang kailan lang nahuli mo kami may kodigo na kopyahan.
nandito pa rin tayo. All our teachers, sabi nga ni Atty. Ed. Actually, hindi lang sa teachers, to all our batchmates, you will never walk alone. Nandito tayo lahat para magtulungan.